Namaskar. Today we are in village Suruvari and I have two new students. They are real brothers and sisters. They are students and they have a deep interest in yoga. So I thought I should begin with the Sat Karma. Sat Karma is nothing but 6 actions of cleansing body. Basti, Dhoti, Neti, Noli, Tratak, Kapal, Bhati. So today I plan to show Neti, Jal Neti and Sutra Neti. These are my two students. And they have to prepare their personality for the challenges of life that I explained to them in morning and beginning with Sat Karma, cleansing the human body. This is Neti, Sutra Neti. Yogis are doing with cotton thread prepared like this. But with the development of scientific development and all this, they have created this catheter tube for cleansing the breathing passage, nostrils. This is boiled water kept for cooling down to little warmer than body temperature. Then sodium chloride, the common salt, is added as disinfectant. Now this water is disinfectant, no infection will come with this. First, Sutra Neti. One nostril is operative and another is blocked. So that is a nature. Adau Chandra Site Pakshe Bhaskarastu Site Tare Pratipada Vinyanyaho Trin Pramode. After Purnima, the first, second and third dates at the time of sunrise, left nostril is open, operative for 1.5 hours. Then it keeps changing to left to right, right to left. So that is a system controlled by the solar system. The sun is regulating this breathing of nostrils. So right now, my left one is open. It has to be begun from the open one. Because my nostrils are very clear, so nothing has come. Otherwise, the cough and other things will stick with this, and then they will be loosened and thrown out. Now from the another one. One is blocked, so it takes some time. You have to try. Several trials are to be made because one is blocked, another is clear. Now it is Jal Neti. Jal means prepared water, boiled and cooled down to little warmer temperature than the human body. It is rather too hot. I will cool it down. For cooling down, you must not add plain water or cold water. It has to cool down automatically. बैठ के लीजिए।
बैठ जाओ। ये लोग फर्स्ट टाइम फेस कर रहे हैं ना।
इधर से देखो। This water flows through sinus and from the another nostril. Now it will be reversed from the right nostril and thrown out from the left nostril through the sinus. The sinus cavity is cleansed properly. Now theoretically the neti portion is over, but very important action starts now. You have to cleanse the nostrils properly so that even a droplet of water is not remaining inside, otherwise it may cause some problem. Now people are not telling all those things, they are simply showing this passing water and doing the sutra neti. But cleansing aspect is more important. Cleansing like that. That is why I warn my students not to follow television or media for these things. This has to be learned from a guru and who knows the system. So, seeing the seeing it in on to YouTube, WhatsApp message and all that, it should not be done. It is risky rather. So, this cleansing will take another 15-20 minutes. So, periodically for 3-4 times you have to try to cleanse out. Even a droplet of water should not remain inside. Okay, thank you.